So about 6 weeks ago now, I showed you what I did for the second time in over probably 3 years, how I tried to fix this annoying leak that I had in the water wiper washer bottle. And lo and behold, when I went to take it off, it had been leaking all week. I went to take it off, I filled it up with water, and that day was a little bit warmer and there wasn't any leaks, and I couldn't work out where it was coming from, but there was one little area, one pipe that did seem to be a little bit sloppy, a little bit loose. And I'm pleased to report that actually after 6 weeks now, I haven't had any warning messages on my dashboard to say top up your washer fluid level. So to recap, this is what I actually fixed. Two under here as well, a couple of 8mm underneath here. And there it is. I'll just remove the neck there. So somewhere here, and there's quite good evidence there, it seems to be leaking, and it only ever fills to a certain amount and then comes out. But you can see there, that bottom one isn't too clever, is it? It's a sloppy fit on that, and I think it's leaking from there. So what I've decided to do is I've got some nice soft tubing here, and I'm going to push it onto there, maybe put a little tie wrap around it, and then push this, because it's flexible, over onto that part. I'll obviously cut it shorter and see how that goes, because then there's flexibility now, so when the weather gets hot and cold, that's going to deal with that expansion and contraction. Short there ought to do it. And then with this, I can then push that snugly over there, like so. I may even put a little tie wrap around that as well, but you can see straight away it's not leaking now. Right, see if we can get it back in again. It can be a bit of a struggle, this. Kind of lift it. There's a lip at the back somewhere here, and you gotta lift it. Here we are, back on again. Okay, it's the water filling up. You should see it start to fill here. I don't see any drips in there, which is encouraging. Make sure you get yourself a nice, soft, flexible hose. Silicone is great. And the irony is, I've just done another video using a little bit of silicone hose, 11mm outside diameter hose, to actually fix something completely separate, but it was for the rear boots where the seals get a little bit soft over 21 years. And I've managed to resolve it with a nice bit of tubing inside the little void where the rubber seals are. And that's a separate video. There's a link down below for you as well. As the wetter months come in, especially around winter, especially with things like salt and stuff they put on the road, you need your washer wiper jets more than ever, because the windscreen gets mucky every time you go out. I use this car pretty much daily, and it was so frustrating not being able to find where that leak was on the washer bottle. But thankfully, I've managed to resolve it now. So have a look for yourself and have a look at that little pipe that connects the pump to the actual washer bottle reservoir. There's a playlist for you at the end, all on Mercedes. I'll see you on YouTube, and thanks for watching.